Welcome to the Crypto Andrew channel. Let's look at crypto. Let's look at Bitcoin and let's see what's going on. Bitcoin had a massive 1-minute candle, red dumb. This is a great time for me to go live. I'll be live here in a few minutes after the time of posting this video. But it looks like we want to go lower. Now, you see the next measure move I have on the 1-minute time frame out of this bear flag is $86,200. That's also massive support, so it worked out pretty well. I also made a TikTok page showing me doing the TA in real time of how I got this measure move, so you can go watch that on my TikTok channel. But for right now, I don't think there's much point in talking about that. You're below the 1-minute 200. The 15-minute time frame is rolling over. I would be surprised if you really get much of a bounce before $86,200 or $86,163. 4-hour time frame is very oversold. 8-hour time frame oversold. 12-hour time frame very oversold. Daily time frame not oversold yet. You've lost the trend line. I also told my Telegram group, if you lose 89,500, the bottom of this trend line, you have to be bearish. Look how quickly you dumped after that. You got a $2,000 move to the downside after that, at the low at least. And at this point, I have to say, it's time to make a new trend. So the trend is your friend until the end. I've said that many times. I'll keep saying it again until the day I die. The trend is your friend until the end. And at this point now, we have a smaller trend that is going to the downside. That trend that we had going to the upside lasted for 3 weeks or so. And at this point, let me zoom out to the 1 hour. At this point, it looks like, obviously, the trend has broken back to the downside. So I would have to say, ever since you lost basically 98K and couldn't get above it, you've been bearish. So that is my update right now for Bitcoin. I see more downside for Bitcoin to 86.2 minimum, and most likely lower than that in due time, but at least short term, I could see a bounce to $86,200. That is my update right now for the price of Bitcoin. That's my update. I'll see you guys in the live stream here in a few minutes. Appreciate if you guys hit the like and subscribe. It does help support the channel. I'm bearish right now on the price of Bitcoin.